everyone, this video is going to go over how to set up your formatting for your personal narrative. So make sure that first of all your font is size 12 Times New Roman and that you have everything double spaced. If you already have part of your rough draft typed up, you'll need to highlight everything so that you can change it to Times New Roman 12 and double spaced. The next thing that we need to do is set up your title page. For this assignment, you have a title page, and it doesn't count as part of your 3 to 6 pages. So the way we're going to set this up is to center, and then the first thing that you need is your creative title. This can be any font and size that you want. The next thing you need is your name. Please put your first and last name on there, and then you need my name. And then you need class name, which is English 10, hour, and then put whatever hour you're in. And then lastly, you need the due date, which is October 30th. But remember, when we do MLA, the day comes first, then the month, and then the year. And remember, months are always abbreviated with the first 3 letters and a period. So that's how you set up your title page. Then you need your the rest of your stuff. So you need your header and everything. So if you have stuff already typed, let's say I already have part of my rough draft typed, blah, 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 blah. There it is. It's beautiful, isn't it? Okay. Put your cursor right before your rough draft. If you don't have anything, you can just leave your cursor where it was. So put your cursor there if you have things typed, and then click on Inserts and Break and Page Break. That'll kick it down to the next page. If it shows up just like a line like this, it just means that you're not in print mode. There we go. Now we can see that it's on the second page. Then we need to insert our header. So click on Insert, Page Numbers. Usually we pick this first one, but since we have a title page and we don't want our title page to be numbered, you'll need to put this one. This one skips a number on the first page so that you don't end up with the number on the first page. So click on that one, and then click before it, type in your last name, and then make sure there's a space between your last name and the 1, and then highlight that and change it to Times New Roman size 12 if it isn't already. And then this should show up on every page. If you accidentally delete the 1, you have to go back up and click on Insert, Page Number again, and do the whole thing over again. If you just type 1 in there, it's going to say 1 on every single page, which is not really what you want. Then you can type your paper here. Remember, every time you start a new paragraph, we should be indenting, even if your paragraph is 1 line long because it's dialogue, we still need to indent that. Let me know if you have any questions, or if this didn't work, let me know so that I can help you out.